Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing some unboxing. As you can see, these are the boxes that came. Ang daming sale items, ang daming promos because it's Mother's Day. So, medyo naparaming order ko. But, lahat yun, hindi naman regular items. Fun fact, I don't buy items that are on regular price. Palaging sale or clearance. I have never bought an item as far as I can remember na regular price because I'm cheap. Yeah, and I'm proud of it. Okay, we will do the unboxing right now. And if you want to know what are these items, please continue watching. Alright, we're back. So, ito yung mga box. I have boxes from Amazon. The others, this one is from, hindi ko na alam kung saan ito galing. I think it's from Victoria's Secret. These two, I'm not sure, but I think it is. And this one, oh, I guess this is the Victoria's Secret one. I really don't remember. This one is Amazon. And this one is something that I ordered from a Filipina. So, let's see what are inside these packages. So, let's open first the smallest one. These just arrived today. Mainit-init pa. So, it's a small package. I know what's inside here, pero let's see. Surprise, surprise. Handle with care. This is from my fellow Filipina. I ordered something from her. Okay. It's a package. Let's see what is inside this. Aba? May pa-chocolate si ate. May kasama pang chocolates. Gusto na siya kasi mainit. But, this is what I got. Tada! Oh yeah! Okay, I bought from her a necklace. This is an 18K necklace and it's 18 inches and it's 0.91 grams. This is the label. Manipis lang pala siya. Akala ko makapal. Tama palang mother ko. Because I have a pendant here na binili ng asawa ko. So sabi ko I don't have a chain, so I bought a chain from her. It doesn't have a pendant. It doesn't come with a pendant, but 18K siya. Manipis lang pala siya. I thought it's like makapal. But pwede na. Mas manipis lang pala siya, oh. But it's 18K gold. So that's it. At may pa-chocolate pa. Next item, we will be opening these. Now, I don't know if this is from Victoria's Secret or from Coach or from Amazon. Well, it's not from Amazon, but I have an order from Coach. So, it's probably Coach. Let's open this. Oh, this is from Coach. One Coach, yeah. This is from Coach. I got this item very, very... Yay! Let's open this package. This one first. I got this for a super affordable price. It's on sale. And this is so nice. Pero binibenta ko siya, guys. Here it is. Oh, yeah! So nice. Let's open it. This is what it looks like inside. And then merong coin purse. It's nice. I like it. I want to keep it. Ibebenta ko sana siya. Pero mukhang maganda siya. So, yan. Next item is this. Open natin. It's also from Coach. I got this also for a very affordable price. And ang ganda niya. Oh, yeah! Ang ganda niya. Parang type ko rin siya. Parang ayoko siyang ibenta. So pretty. It's so nice. I like it. I like it so much. Next item that we are gonna open is this box. I think this is from Victoria's Secret, if I am not mistaken. Oh yes, it is from Victoria's Secret. I got this bra from Victoria's Secret. Ang kapal! Push up bra pala to. 36B. Ang kapal! Push up bra. Ang kapal ng foam. Oh my gosh. I don't really wear a bra with foam kasi medyo blessed tayo. Oh, yeah! So, kala kong ano. But, okay, maganda naman. This is what it is. Same is this one. I like Victoria's Secret too. Uy, ang ganda niya. Winner. Ang ganda. Look. Ang ganda nito. Maganda siya. Victoria's Secret tote. And it has a snake skin. Of course, I don't know if it's... I think this is just a pleather, but it's so nice. And it's so Victoria. It's not leather. It's perfect for this summer season. Is this one that is also from Victoria's Secret. I got this. This is a swimsuit. I think this is two-piece. Oh, diba? Lakas ng loob ko. This is two-piece. It's on sale kaya binili ko siya. Ayan. Oh. Where's the panty? Walang panty? Bra lang? Ano ba to? Bra ba to? Ang cute niya, diba? Where's the panty? I guess walang panty. I thought I ordered this. Naku, kailangan ko tong i-ano. Kailangan ko tong i-report ha. Ba't walang panty? Ano, ito lang. Ang two-piece. But it's so nice. Ang ganda ng mga swimwear ng Victoria's Secret. I have a swimsuit from Victoria's Secret. Ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. And I have what do you call that? Over top or something. It's maganda. Maganda yung quality. So, ito. This is really a swimsuit. It should be a two-piece, pero bakit walang panty? May ano ko pa. Next one is also Victoria's Secret. This is a bra also from Victoria's Secret. Uy, ang ganda. Oh, ang taray. Love it. Diba? Tapos yung back niya is ganito. So nice. This one is from Amazon. Let's open this also. Okay, what's this? Agent Muse. I have no clue kung ano to. Tingnan natin. Ano in-order ko dun? Oh, yay! This is what now I know. This one. This is a nude bra, a sticky bra para if you want to wear tube, if you want to wear backless or something, ito mag-stick siya. Ang ganda nito. I only got this for $2, $9, or I think something $12 on original price, and I got it from Amazon. They gave away codes, so I took advantage of it, and I got it for only $2. Nice, love it. I love nude because it's skin tone, you know, parang hindi siya obvious, rather than black or something. Mas maganda yung nude. From Amazon. Open natin. There you go. Yay! This one is the aloe vera gel. I hope it's a gel. May nabasa akong review that it's not a gel. It's water. It's liquid. Because I love aloe vera. I have an aloe vera gel that I use on my face, and it's very, very good. It's very refreshing. After you use it, your skin is so smooth na parang like a baby. Kaya nung nagkaroon ng flash sale sa Amazon, I bought this. I think this is originally it's $20 or something, and I got this for only 15 cents. Oh, diba? I told you I don't buy regular prices items. This is it. Tapos may pump siya. Next is, what's next? Oh, this one. This is a purse I bought for my mom. This is only $8.99. And I bought it for my mom in the Philippines para may magamit siya. Let's see. Uy, merong ano, dust bag. Uy, maganda siya. This is it. Para siyang leather din. It's not bad for $8.99. It's nice. Alright, that's it everybody. Thank you for watching this video. Yun ang lahat ng mga naharbat ko for the past 1 week or 2 weeks ago. And I hope you enjoyed this kind of unboxing, and we will do some other unboxing next time. I will share again with you the other stuff that I will receive online. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And have a good day everyone. Bye bye.